Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to use your Android phone as a second monitor on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. So to do this, first open up your web browser and search for Spacedesk. Now click on the first link that appears. Now in here, click on this Windows 10 and 11 option. Now download the setup file for your Windows version. Once you have downloaded it, open it and follow the on-screen prompts to finish installing the Spacedesk app. Now open the Spacedesk app on your Windows laptop. Now in here, go to this USB cable driver option and make sure that the local area network option is selected. Now you'll need to open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and download this Spacedesk app. Once you have downloaded it, open the app. Once you open the app, it should automatically detect your PC. You just need to tap on it to use your phone as a secondary monitor. By default, the Spacedesk app will only duplicate the screen. To change that, right click anywhere on the desktop and select display settings. Now in the settings menu, you can change the Windows laptop to extend the display instead of duplicating it. You might also notice black bars on the sides of your Android phone. So to fix that, you will need to change the display resolution. So select the secondary display. Now scroll down to the display resolution menu and then use the drop down menu to select the second option. Now click on keep changes. Once you do, the black bars will be gone. You can now use your Android phone as a secondary display. This also works with a USB connection. So if you can't connect both the devices to the same Wi-Fi network, simply plug your Android phone to your laptop using a USB cable. Once the setup is done, you will be able to use your phone as a secondary monitor. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.